Using a .45 ACP pistol offers a range of enjoyable experiences, from spending a leisurely day at the shooting range to engaging in competitive shooting events. The thrill of mastering such a powerful firearm is a draw for many enthusiasts. In addition to recreational use, a significant number of individuals select .45 ACP pistols for their self-defense needs. Despite their classification as large-caliber firearms, there are options available in more compact sizes. These smaller models are particularly well-suited for concealed carry, providing a balance of power and discretion. This versatility makes the .45 ACP pistol a preferred choice for a variety of shooters, whether they're seeking a fun range day, serious competition, or a reliable self-defense tool. So in order to help with the decision of selecting what is best for you, we have compiled a list of 8 best .45 ACP pistols for seniors that includes all the features important for you to know. You can also find a more detailed analysis and comparison tool on our website, validsurvival.com. 8. Springfield Armory XDM Elite. Springfield Armory's XDM Elite series now includes the new XDM Elite 3.8-inch compact OSP in .45 ACP, a compact model perfect for concealed carry and comfortable shooting. Sharing traits with its 9mm variant, this .45 ACP model boasts a 10+1 capacity, catering to those desiring a more substantial caliber. Its 3.8-inch hammer-forged melanite-coated barrel ensures match-grade accuracy, while the Meta trigger enhances shooting precision. The durable forged steel slide is also melanite-coated for corrosion resistance. Equipped with a tactical REC U-dot rear sight and a high-visibility fiber optic front sight, it's ready for everyday use, though optics users might consider sight upgrades. The polymer frame features an ergonomic design with effective texturing, a high hand position under the beaver tail for better recoil control, an undercut trigger guard, and a replaceable backstrap for customized grip. A Picatinny rail on the dust cover facilitates accessory attachments, balancing modern performance and versatility. The XDM Elite 3.8-inch compact OSP .45 ACP is a standout in the realm of polymer-framed handguns. 7. Smith & Wesson M&P .45 M2.0. Smith & Wesson's M&P M2.0 series, known for its affordability and polymer-frame design, has earned a strong reputation in the striker-fired pistol market. These versatile guns are compatible with various ammunition types, particularly excelling with heavier bullets. Quick and agile, the M&P M2.0 is equipped with a unique 2-piece hinge trigger for enhanced safety and external extractor. The tactical model features a 3-dot sight system, suitable for use with most suppressors and adjustable for windage. Interchangeable palm swells on the frame ensure a comfortable custom fit. It comes with 2 10-round magazines, each with large base pads for easy magazine changes. The M&P .45 M2.0, available in 9mm, 10mm, 40 S&W, and .45 ACP, offers various models including full-length, compact, and FDE variants with threaded barrels, Picatinny rails, and optional thumb safeties. For those seeking a high-quality .45 ACP pistol as an alternative to Glock, the Smith & Wesson M&P .45 M2.0 stands out as a reliable and adaptable option. 6. SIG P220 Legion. Sig Sauer, tracing its roots to West Germany, began producing the Swiss-designed P220 in .45 ACP for the American market. This big alloy-framed DASA single-stack pistol has remained popular, leading Sig Sauer to continue manufacturing various models. The premier model is the Legion series, featuring a stainless steel slide in Legion Gray, X-Ray 3 day-night sights, an ambidextrous thumb safety, an accessory rail, and 8-shot magazines. The Sig Sauer P220 Legion stands out with its exceptional design and performance. It's highly favored in law enforcement, especially at the federal level. The Legion model enhances the standard P220 with striking G10 grips, high-visibility night sights, and improved cocking serrations. Its heavy steel frame effectively absorbs the recoil of the .45 ACP, making it one of the most comfortable shooting guns available. Renowned for its reliability, the P220 Legion can handle extensive use without malfunction and is an excellent example of SIG's commitment to quality and performance. The Legion series elevates the P220, making it a reliable and outstanding shooter. 5. Glock 30. The The Glock 30 reflects Glock's principle of functional, efficient design, devoid of unnecessary elements. It shares common Glock features like easy disassembly, a loaded chamber indicator, a factory-rated striker-fired trigger, and a polymer frame. Designed for a smooth draw and holstering, its low slide profile and ergonomic build enhance its usability. Safety features include a trigger safety and octagonal barrel rifling, making it well-suited for concealed carry. Compact and lightweight, the Glock 30 measures 6.97 inches in length and 1.38 inches in width, comparable to the Glock 19 in portability. It effectively uses the powerful .45 ACP caliber with a manageable recoil akin to the Glock 17. The pistol supports a 10+1 round capacity in its double-stack magazine, with options for 9 and 13-round magazines. On the shooting range, the Glock 30's comfortable grip and surprisingly light recoil stand out, even considering its size and caliber. It's an exceptional handgun, easy to handle, operate, and carry, skillfully combining the strength of the .45 ACP caliber with advanced firearm technology. 4. Walther PPQ M2. The Walther PPQ 45, a notable member of Walther's handgun range, is a full-size 7.4-inch gun known for its functional and ergonomic design. It features a curved grip with distinct finger grooves and a non-slip surface, along with adjustable back straps for a tailored fit. The pistol has a 12-round capacity and is reliable across various ammunitions. Its standout 5.6-pound trigger provides a small pull and crisp break, suitable for quick firing, and has a remarkably short reset. The pistol's grip design caters to different hand sizes, balancing comfort and control. The trigger, among the finest in striker-fired .45 ACPs, has minimal travel. The PPQ M2 is recognized for its accuracy and reliability, with minimal jams and 3 automatic safeties. It features ambidextrous controls and an oversized trigger guard for glove use, plus a 3-slot Picatinny rail for accessory attachments. This model, affordably priced yet high-performing, is an excellent choice for a dependable .45 ACP handgun. 3. Beretta PX4 Storm. The Beretta PX4 Storm full pistol is a standout in Beretta's range, known for its quality and affordability. Featuring a unique cold hammer forged rotary barrel, it minimizes muzzle flip for more precise follow-up shots. Designed for ambidextrous use with safety features and a reversible magazine release, it caters to all shooters. Customization is simplified with interchangeable back straps and an accessory-ready Picatinny rail. Durable and reliable, the PX4 Storm withstands over 150,000 rounds without failure and offers a smooth draw and holstering experience. This hammer-fired pistol, ideal for home defense and casual shooting, has a 4.1-inch barrel, a 9+1 round capacity, and low recoil, making it accessible for those new to .45 ACP. Its smooth trigger, adjustable sights, and compact yet effective design provide exceptional value in a .45 caliber handgun. Number 2. HK45. The HK45 Tactical is designed initially for the U.S. military's Joint Combat Pistol program in 2006. This model evolved from the original HK45, maintaining its full-size frame and renowned reliability. Its ergonomic design features interchangeable back straps, molded finger grooves, and a front Picatinny rail for attachments like lights or lasers. Unique to the tactical version are a threaded barrel and true glow suppressor height fiber optic sights, which are exceptionally effective in low light conditions and exclusive to HK. For home defense, considering self-illuminating sights could enhance its usability in dark scenarios. The HK45 also benefits from a wide range of aftermarket options. It comes in various models: the standard with a 4.53-inch barrel, the tactical with a threaded barrel, the compact with a shorter 3.9-inch barrel, and the compact tactical, which blends features of the latter two. This DASA polymer-framed hammer-fired pistol is celebrated for its unwavering reliability, making the HK45 Tactical a superb choice in its category. Number 1. FN FNX 45. The FN FNX 45 Tactical .45 ACP pistol 5.3-inch, an advanced version of the FNP developed for the U.S. Joint Combat Pistol Program, excels in combat, home defense, and range shooting. It features a 5.3-inch cold hammer forged stainless steel barrel with a 1.16-inch twist for consistent accuracy and a threaded end for suppressors. Notably, it offers a 15-round capacity, uncommon in .45 ACP pistols, and includes 2 magazines for significant firepower. The DASA mechanism, checkered polymer frame, and low-bore axis ensure precise, low-recoil shooting. High-profile night sights, optics readiness, and 4 interchangeable backstraps enhance its versatility. Known for durability in harsh conditions, the FNX45 Tactical boasts superior accuracy and reliability. It's ideal for both home defense and competition, featuring suppressor height sights, an adjustable trigger, a match-grade barrel, and an external extractor that serves as a loaded chamber indicator. This model epitomizes FN's long-standing firearms expertise, offering a high-performance option for demanding users. The 45 ACP pistol is a popular type of gun known for its strong power and long history. There are several great 45 ACP pistols out there, each with its own special features. One of the most well-known is a classic model that has been used by the military for many years and is still liked by gun fans and collectors today. Other modern versions are also popular because they are easy to hold and use, have better aiming sights, and can hold more bullets. They are great for all kinds of shooters, from those who love old and historic guns to those who prefer the newest and most advanced guns. However, getting the best 45 ACP pistols is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.